All right, let's go ahead and begin. This will be a pretty short recap. I don't know if you guys have questions or anything you want to ask, go for it, and maybe this will be a longer video. But other than that, it should be very quick. Up $204 today. I only traded one stock. Yesterday was very similar. I didn't do a recap yesterday. I'm trying to remember if I did a recap the day before even. So this week I've been kind of under the radar, but I'll show you kind of how the week is shaping up here very quickly. So up 204 today. So the week has been solid, but yeah, just right now trading really kind of cautiously. After kind of we're getting this die down from all this chaos with GameStop and all this crazy squeeze action that we got last week, to this week we're kind of mid caps and everything kind of dying back down. So I'm kind of fingers off the trigger this week a little bit. I did have a nice trade on GameStop earlier in the week, but yeah, I'm just being very cautious. I'm in a big drawdown, as you know. If you saw some of my other videos, I've talked about that. I'm down from my highs quite a bit, so trying to just kind of be steady and not do anything too crazy. Anyway, so yeah, CPSH, that was the only one I traded, and this is what it looks like right here. So this was pretty simple. CPSH was a momentum stock a couple days ago. So with that in mind, possibly some continuation today, making kind of a double bottom here pre-market. And as this was kind of curling up, I said, screw it, why not get in? And so I did. Not the greatest entry here, kind of amidst this breakout already. But it did work out. I was looking for the volume to kind of pick back up and more traders to kind of turn their eyes to this stock, but that didn't really happen. So it did eventually kind of peter out, and I had to stop out here as it did come back down. I think I was up probably at most $300 on the trade. So anyway, nothing crazy, but yeah, that was actually the only trade that I took today. And yesterday was quite similar in terms of my finishing P&L. I think I started yesterday red and then flipped it green. But anyway, wasn't important enough to make a recap on. The one thing I do want to mention too is if you have been following me, you know that I have a pretty sizable swing position in this stock here, just not in this account. So you don't see that I have any shares in this account, but Desktop Metal, I have a pretty considerable position on this, and I have had that position since about the first of, or sorry, not the first. First month of the year, I guess, 13th of January here. I think I got long, I think on this day, maybe the 12th. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. So I'm up considerably on that position. So my eyes were really looking at Desktop Metal today. I was focusing on this. Not like I was going to make any huge changes in my position on this one, but I did mention this one in my Discord. I did put this out there and said, back when I entered the position, I called this one out and said, if you do get a pullback, look to buy this one. And the pullback happened the next day, and from then it's been really off to the races. And this is a super bullish green power candle here, so I really didn't shave my position too much today. I took off about 19 shares in front of $30. I think I had 609 shares. I sold 19 to make it a more even number at 590. I guess I could have just sold 9 shares and made it 600. Anyway, so I'm still holding 590 shares of this one and looking for this one to continue into next Monday. But very green, up 15% for Desktop Metal, and yeah, not that I day traded it, but I do have a swing position in this one, and so yeah, this is exciting to see it finally kind of break out like this, and sky's the limit. So I'll be excited to see what this one does. Anything meaningful in these comments, guys? I mean, come on, what is this? You guys have not changed since middle school, huh? Activate Windows. I know. I need to activate Windows. Yeah, let me know if there's some sort of hack for that. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I think there was one thing too I was gonna mention, but now I don't remember. Oh, yeah, just with this desktop metal, if you look at the 12th of January, look where GameStop was on the 12th of January. Right here. Right the day before it's popped to a high of $38. So, GameStop squeezing up a little bit here in after hours trading too. Yeah, no, so I was actually considering this one. It was going to be either Desktop Metal or GameStop that I was going to dump my funds into for a swing trade, and taking pretty big size on either stock, because you see this one was around $20. Desktop Metal was also around $20. The difference is if I put my money in this one, well, let's just say it makes people that cry about missing out on Bitcoin look like scrubs, because this would have been, I don't even know, the percentage return on this would have been incredible. But an entry at $20, literally the day before it squeezed, and I missed it, but I was considering it. The maximum potential on that would have been in at $20, out at $485, yeah, my size would have been about $12,000 of capital in the trade, so it would have been about a $200,000 or $300,000 profit. But I don't think there's any way I actually would have held all the way to this that peak there. But yeah, there's absolutely no way. I probably would have sold most of it on this pop the very next day, actually, just to be cautious. Why am I not trading Forex? It's just not something I'm interested in. Forex. I don't know a lot about Forex, but I just I don't want to trade it. I don't want to trade it. Weekly recap on weekends? No. It's good to have time off, you know. It's 50-1 margin. Jesus, that's arguably too much. I mean, I don't know why I would ever want to use 50-1. You're trading Forex and it's worth. I feel like Forex is like how do I describe it? Or at least my understanding of Forex, because I really don't know. I don't know that much about Forex, but I like to get in for large, big picture moves, and I feel like Forex in general is very choppy, and I feel like it's kind of a pipe dream. That's my I don't know. It's not consistent, so I don't know. I like trading stocks, like names I'm familiar with, like companies. I don't know. It's more fun that way. Forex seems kind of lame, to be honest. Currencies are lame. But that's just my take. Well, that's how it is. So I'm just not really interested. Yeah, it is. Forex is not. No, I disagree. Yeah, it is lame. Totally lame. You guys don't trade stocks, so of course you guys are biased. This is no surprise. Okay, well that's it for me. I'm. This was supposed to be a short recap, and we're running on 10 minutes, so I would make way more. Yeah. Okay. If there were any surefire way to just make money, you know, that's a pipe dream. You know, start trading Forex and you'll become rich. I'm being live stream tomorrow. No, not if you're gonna do me like this. No. No, we'll see. Jeez, you guys. Connor, you haven't even liked the video, man. So what are you even doing here? What are you even doing here? Oh my god, I just realized my mic was like not even stood up. Is that better? Could you guys even hear me okay? Jeez. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. All right. I've heard enough from you guys. Nothing productive is happening here. All right. That's it.